All right, guys, happy Saturday. Been a long week for most of us. I had to go back to work, so getting back out on the bike feels good. Today I'll be riding the Big O, and I'm just gonna ride a little bit of it. Just decided to come up here and just get out for a little while and unwind. So what I noticed is YouTube is defaulting every video that you click on to 480p. So make sure when you click on this video or any video, go into your settings and switch it to 1080 right away. There's the first big tree. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go pretty slow, so just bear with me, guys. Oh, there's a good one to spear you. By the way, this is the Big O, and right now I'm riding it through Mason County, but this one, sometimes you just gotta stop for a minute and take in the beauty. What a gorgeous day. It's supposed to be about 60 degrees. I'm completely social distancing to the max. Usually I ride with pretty much the same guy you've seen in my last few videos, but today it's just me by myself. And I'm a couple hours north of my home, doing one of my favorite single tracks there is. And all right, here we go. Three other trails, but out of all the trails that I've ridden, this one by far still has the most cover of leaves. So that's another thing you got to be careful for, you know, because those leaves really hide a lot of hidden ruts. Actually, I just passed a stump that was a nasty one. I was like, oh crap, but I missed it. Do about I don't know, good 20-25 miles, and then where I started this at, there's a bunch of like fire road, 2 tracks and everything that I'm just gonna bomb down on for a while before I load back up. You know, it's always good to get out and just see what's changed. Whoa, if anything at all. honestly, since I frequent this trail so much, because this is right down the road from where I camp, I'm going to come out here with a saw too. Is that it?
No, we got 3 more.
2 more? I'm by myself, so.
Oh, yeah? Okay. How's the ride up there? Good?
There's stuff down. Be careful.
Okay.
That's awesome. That kid that was in the very back, he pointed to his hip, and I was like, what? He picked up some horns from a deer antler. But that is crazy, because this trail is the trail that I ride the most, and there was just 4 guys right there, and that's probably the amount of people I seen on this trail all of last year combined. That blows my mind, but it's cool. Glad to see other people are out here enjoying the beautiful day too. Alright guys, so when I left, I went in right here and I went this direction. The Big O goes for miles and miles and miles and miles. I probably did, I don't know, at least 10 to 15 miles that way. And then I came back down all the seasonal roads to get me back up to here. And now I'm going to go in this way. And this is always the direction we normally go. This is our that's our favorite section of the trail. So now I'm going to go that way for a good 10 miles. And like I said in the beginning, this is a whole great big loop that goes all the way into Baldwin and who knows where else, but it's a 90-mile loop total. So I just went 10 to 15 that way. I'll do about 10 this way. And that way there's crap down everywhere, and I'm anticipating the same thing for this way, because even when we have somewhat light rainstorms, I mean, this trail always gets pretty beat up. But so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll ride a little ways that way, get some video of it, and then maybe make my way back to my truck and get some gas, and then I'm gonna bomb around on some 2 tracks and just see what's going on out back there. All right, peace. All right, let's see what's going on this way. This side is definitely in the beginning of the trail. Has a lot more ruts and rocks I gotta watch out for. I did put more air in my tires than I normally do, so should be fine, but to go around them instead of over them if at all possible. Kind of tricky when there's nothing but leaves down, but I gotta control myself because this spot is usually a spot we pin it about 5th gear wide open, but I don't know what's up here, so. Forgot I still have my GoPro on. Alright, well, I'm back to the truck. So, that was a good little ride. Good to get out, get some social distancing in and, you know, clear your mind of all the crap that's going on right now. So, alright, that was a nice little Saturday afternoon. Come up, check on the camper, ride the Big O, which I haven't ridden since, geez, probably last October. And as expected, there was a ton of stuff down on the trail. The one way I went, I took about 10 miles. That way was fine. I mean, there was stuff down, but it wasn't hard to get around it or nothing. But I went back the other way, and I was gonna do about another 10 miles or so the other way, and that way was just wrecked. So but I did, I don't know, probably 20-25 miles altogether, and then I went and bombed around on some old Federal 2 tracks and all that good stuff just to see what was shaking.